Hello friends, welcome back to Smartphone World. Samsung is on a launch spree and it seems they won't stop unless they regain the lost market share to Redmi. It seems the company is planning to launch a new budget-friendly device in the Galaxy M lineup. An unknown Galaxy smartphone believed to be Galaxy M40 has been certified by Wi-Fi Alliance, suggesting an imminent launch. The listing on the Wi-Fi Alliance website mentions a smartphone by Samsung with the model number SM-M405F. We believe that it is Galaxy M40 because the Indian variant of Galaxy M30 had the model number M305F. The device is expected to feature a similar polycarbonate design with an AMOLED Infinity U style display on the front. Similar to Galaxy A50, the device may include in-display fingerprint sensor with support for face unlock. The leaked listing of the device confirms the device will run Android 9 Pie on top of One UI. This is surprising considering the previous entrants in the lineup featured Android Oreo out of the box. The device will also sport a beefy 5000 mAh battery which should provide solid battery life. Samsung may provide fast charging support with Galaxy M40. Coming to the internals, the device will be powered by Exynos 9610 octa-core processor backed by 4 or 6 GB of RAM. This is the same chipset that powers Samsung Galaxy A50. It is a quite powerful processor. The performance of 9610 lies somewhere in between Snapdragon 660 and Snapdragon 675 processor. There are some rumors that Samsung might use Snapdragon 675 in the upcoming Galaxy M40, which is highly unlikely. If they do so, it will be quite promising device. Similar to M30, Galaxy M40 will feature a triple rear camera setup. The device is expected to feature a 25 megapixel primary sensor backed by an ultrawide sensor and depth sensor, which should provide solid camera experience like the Galaxy A50. Samsung is expected to launch Galaxy M40 by end of Q2 2019. If I come to know the exact launch date of Galaxy M40, I will update the information in the comment section. As you all know, Samsung started to price their smartphones quite aggressively to compete with Redmi smartphones. With the M40, Samsung is expected to price the device at $16,999 for the base variant, which should provide stiff competition to Note 7 Pro and Realme 3 Pro. Galaxy M40 has a lot going on its favor, like the in-display fingerprint sensor, triple rear camera and 5000 mAh battery. This should provide an edge compared to its competition like the Redmi Note 7 Pro and Realme 3 Pro. What are your thoughts about Galaxy M40? Are you guys interested in Galaxy M40? Share your thoughts in the comment section or in polls. If you guys do like the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech and gaming videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.